noisy. Oh, that's better. Hey, this is... Delicious food is calling out to me. Ow! Hold tight, I'm coming.
Huh? Titi, what are you doing here?
Hello, Allie. Something smells great.
Today's Monk's birthday. He's going on a family picnic, so I'm making him a basket of goodies. Here, does it look yummy?
Wow, it looks really yummy, Allie.
Doesn't it? I put a lot of effort into it. Do you think Monk will like it?
Of course, he'll love it. It really, totally, without a doubt, looks yummy.
Then, do you want to taste, Titi?
Yes! Oh, delicious! It's awesome!
Really?
Yes, it's stupendous!
Then, I'll finish up Monk's and then I'll make one for you too. Just wait over there.
Okay, I'll wait.
Okay, let's hurry and make another one. What's that sound? Did I imagine it? Huh? That's strange. I'm sure I heard something. Did you call me? I must have heard wrong.
I ate it all!
I'm all done. The last carrot sandwich is done.
You're already finished?
Thank goodness I finished on time.
Allie, you must be tired. Why don't I take this to Monk for you?
Thank you, but it's okay.
No, let me do it.
I said it's okay.
I'll take it to him.
Okay, thank you for doing this, TT. I'll just take it.
No!
I must be coming down with something. TT, can you just take it?
Sure.
Achoo! Achoo! Oh yeah, the sandwich! TT, don't forget your sandwich! Huh? Where did he go? Did he leave already? Huh? He didn't even take the basket! What? Oh, that TT!
Take it! What? You scared me!
I was trying to make your hiccups stop.
I must have hiccuped 1,000 times. I can't stop.
1,000? Titi, how about trying this? Hold your breath for a while.
Huh?
Like this. Oh, no need to thank me. We're friends. Oh, they
I almost passed out, Kiri.
sorry.
We have to find another way to stop the hiccuping. In order to stop hiccups, there are several methods. Kiri, how many hiccups is that?
1,005.
Huh?
1006.
I have a secret remedy that will stop those hiccups in their tracks. I'm positive.
Really?
1007.
Okay, TT. If you drink the water, the hiccups should stop.
Really?
You have my word. Now drink.
Okay.
What? It didn't work. Okay, drink some more, TT.
It's not working at all.
2011.
But it has to work. Just keep drinking. Here. Here. They stopped, right?
Be careful.
Are you sure about this method, Tok-Tok?
Don't worry. Just trust me. Now jump down, TT.
I'm really scared.
TT, I've run out of ideas. What are we gonna do?
Tok-Tok, this isn't funny! Just you wait!
TT, sorry!
Stop right there. Lord, will I have the hiccups for the rest of my life?
TT, what are you doing?
Tok-Tok, you
Huh?
said that you could
8932.
stop my hiccups! Why am I still hiccuping?
8933, 34, 35.
Calm down, TT. Let's try the methods in the book again.
Those methods didn't work!
What? The world record for hiccups? This is it!
Huh?
The world record for hiccups. With a few more hiccups, you can set a new world record.
What are you up to this time?
8936.
If you hiccup 10,000 times, you can set a new world record. And you can eat all the delicious cookies you want. How about it?
I'm in.
This is our chance to set a new world record together.
Whoa! 8937. Just 1063 more for the world record. Giddy giddy.
Well, today a new world record for hiccups will be attempted. The challenger is sitting in the middle of the stage. And now let's hear from the challenger's professional trainer, Professor Tok-Tok.
Yes. If you take a look at our book that marks this momentous event, 1001 Ways to Happy Hiccups, you will find many methods to joyful hiccuping. I recommend that everyone buys a copy today.
Okay, the challenger is still going strong.
9989.
Only 11 more to set the new world record. For those who missed it, here's a slow-mo of the hiccup. Well, isn't it inspirational to see someone so dedicated and determined? Let's show our challenger some support.
9990.
All right, he has only 10 to go.
Come on, TT!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Finally, only one more left for the world record.
TT, did the hiccup stop?
I think so. I think they really stopped. What just happened, Professor Tok-Tok?
Wow, congratulations, TT!
TT, keep hiccuping! Come on!
They stopped.
What? TT, just one more! One more hiccup! Just one!
Oh, the dream of setting a new world record just went up in smoke. Let's all go home. victory! A new challenger has emerged! Oh, his speed is incredible! At this speed, the new world record will be set in no time!